Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Part 1-1. How are you today? How are you today? I am doing great. I am doing great. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is John. My name is John. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are welcome. You are welcome. No problem. No problem. Excuse me. Excuse me. And I am sorry. And I am sorry. That's okay. That's okay. I understand. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you help me? Can you help me? Of course. Of course. Part 2. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am working. I am working. I am studying. I am studying. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am very busy. I am very busy. I am free now. I am free now. Let's go. Let's go. Come with me. Come with me. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hurry up. Hurry up. I am ready. I am ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's start. Let's start. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. I agree with you. I agree with you. I don't agree. I don't agree. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. That's interesting. That's interesting. Really? Really? That's amazing. That's amazing. Part 3. I like this. I like this. I don't like that. I don't like that. It looks great. It looks great. It sounds good. It sounds good. I am happy. I am happy. I am excited. I am excited. I am tired. I am tired. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am feeling good. I am feeling good. What's happening? What's happening? Nothing special. Nothing special. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. Stay calm. Stay calm. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Be careful. Be careful. Good job. Good job. Well done. Well done. Keep going. Keep going. Part 4. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Where is the market? Where is the market? How much is this? How much is this? It is too expensive. It is too expensive. That's cheap. That's cheap. I want this one. I want this one. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? I need some water. I need some water. I need help. I need help. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Speak slowly, please. Speak slowly, please. I am learning. I am learning. Please write it down. Please write it down. What does it mean? What does it mean? Can you explain it? Can you explain it? That's easy. That's easy. That's difficult. That's difficult. I will try. I will try. I can do it. I can do it. Never give up. Never give up. Part 5. What time is it? What time is it? It's almost morning. It's almost morning. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. It's evening now. It's evening now. I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm at work. I'm at work. I'm at school. I'm at school. I'm with my friends. I'm with my friends. I'm with my family. I'm with my family. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow will be better. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. English is easy. English is easy. I can speak English. I can speak English. I am becoming fluent. I am becoming fluent. Success is coming. Success is coming. Keep learning every day. Keep learning every day. Never stop improving. Never stop improving.